Morning, boys. Mic test. Can you guys hear me? Test, test. Happy Thursday, boys. Crazy market, right? 5,000 in the ES we hit. Crazy. All right, boys. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to YouTube, guys, in the morning. Let's talk about what we're looking for today. So we had job reports. Nothing major happened. I went long on futures over here. You guys saw that. I will talk about it, why I went long over there after I talk about ES. So I went long on the ES. Sorry, I went long on the Nasdaq. Nice support over there, and I went long up there. So what do we got today? We got some 30-year bond auction happening at, if I'm not mistaken, it's at 1 o'clock. We'll be watching this 1 o'clock, see if we get a move from the bond auction. Yesterday we had that 10-year note. Didn't happen much, but let's see if this one moves it. Right, market is very topped up, guys. So very, very hard to trade, like these tops. But yeah, we'll play the trend. So now what I'm looking in this market is, you can see a nice flag over here, a bull flag. So we just play the bull flag, no bias. I would love if we get a pullback around over here at 83-ish, maybe give away this trend line, fake people downside, and this could be a good place to go long again. 97 is the pivot point this morning, of course. 97 holds, we can play her into the 5,015. As you can see, that 97 was that highs over here. So could get a retest over here. But a proper retest would be around the 77.83 zone. All right. That's the ES. Above 5,000, guys, of course, we got to break out, retest, and then go, right? So cannot play this in this high because you can see the rejection could come over there. It's a very big zone. Of course, when we hit 5,020-ish, maybe we can also hit 5,000 on the SPX. So watch that, guys. Like I was saying since yesterday, that could be the target. And we got there and we missed by like few cents on the SPX, by 11 cents. So target was proper by calculator with the SPX going to 5,000. So I'll be watching again this morning, see what's going to happen at 5,000 SPX, see if we break out or not. That's the SPX, ES boys. Let's talk about the NASDAQ. So I'm long on NASDAQ, nicely 25 points plus over here on NASDAQ. Now, why did I go long, right? Easy. Resistance, the big zone over here. Coming back to that support. Yesterday we held that support. So I'm going to take my shot over here, right? Got my nice 25 points. Good, right? Got a nice first 10, 10 plus points in the first one. The second one, nicely 20-something points. And I'm going to hold this, see if the momentum can continue and go upside. Right, entry is very important, guys. You got to wait. You don't play in no man's land. You let it come back and get in at that entry. So that's the NASDAQ, guys. So I'll be watching this pivot point, this zone over here. See if we can hold this zone, guys. We can hold the zone. Just can just make new highs and stuff, guys. Every high she makes, just use that as a resistance. And if you break, use that as a support then to go take her long again. Like over here, for example. That's the NASDAQ, boys. Let's talk about the Bitcoin. Getting a little bit juicy over here. So Bitcoin, nice push yesterday. This is a big level, guys. 44,830-ish. Very big level over here. Show you guys the 4 hours. So you can see over here in the 4 hours, we came here, got rejected, came here, got rejected, then we broke, then we went up, right? We're right over there. Gotta hold this level to push up more up, guys. Not a bad spot at all. This was a nice pullback straight to the support, right? And now we gotta break this one, guys, and stay upside. Very nice thing. We are an MSTR, so those should pay up. All right, next one we got is, let's talk about individual stocks. Apple. Apple basically, I posted a chart also in the Discord this morning. Apple is very tight, guys. Very, very tight, right? Trading at the 21 EMA at the moment. So gotta watch this Apple, see if she can go above the 21, hold this 21, and make the move above 191, 191, 92-ish, guys. That's what I want to see on Apple. And then I would say, okay, market can keep pushing upside. If Apple is gonna stay below this level and not hold at 21, could be a pullback, guys, in the market. So I'll be watching very carefully if Apple can stay above that 21 and make that move upside over here, guys. Very important coming into the market, coming weeks, coming days, I would say. All right. Microsoft. Like I said yesterday, Microsoft has a good day, one day in a week, and yesterday was the day, guys. Nice push into it. I don't like Microsoft. After she moves, she gives a lot of times sideways action. But I just posted this chart today. I put in a newsletter so you guys can see this is a big supply zone, guys. Don't go long into the supply zone. Just be careful into the supply zone over here on the Microsofts, right? If you get a pullback at 409, not a bad spot again then, right? Boom, boom, that's a support. Like I said, Microsoft moves sideways, and one day she moves in the week. That's Microsoft. Let's talk about Netflix. Netflix 562, boys. That's it, right? You can see 562, boom, boom, boom. Did get below it on Tuesday. Yesterday got bought up again, and end of the day she gave up, and we're trading right around there. Watch that level, could be a very guidance of level also. What's going to happen? If 562 cannot hold, guys, cannot hold, we possibly can see these lows and go into 544. If 562 holds and you see some momentum, this can just rapidly go upside, guys, at 575 very quick. So just be careful at that 562 zone. That's Netflix, Pedalflex. Talk about Teslita. All right, Teslita, guys, nice buy that we have on 180 on shares. She's holding pretty well, guys, pretty well. This is our pivot point, guys, 168, 70, 78. Let me just make this orange because it's a little more. It's going to be our pivot point. You can see that higher, held over here, it rejected, came here, rejected yesterday, nicely up and held it, right? So gotta watch that level. If that level holds, possible we can push into these highs of yesterday's and then into this 194 and 196 zone. If doesn't hold, guys, possible pullback at this 180, 182 level. You can see bought up over here, got bought up over here, support, support, support. Not a bad spot, guys, if she comes back and holds again to take her long again, boys. Doesn't hold, cut the trade. Easy as that. That's Tesla. Next one, NVIDIA. NVIDIA, easy, guys. 694. I keep saying, right? 666 was highs on NVIDIA. Came over there, got bought up. 694 is highs now. Let's see if she can come and retest that level, right? Then we got that A, the B pattern, the C upside. Gotta watch, stay above the 694, 695, and then again break the 700 and see what happens. Right, that's NVIDIA, guys. Gotta watch these levels. 694 cannot hold. Possible can pull back at 677-ish, 666-ish. That's NVIDIA. All right, Disney, guys, another good trade that we have over here. Lock some profits in the morning. Disney, I'm gonna pull up a daily chart so you guys can see what's happening in the daily. So I really like Disney, how she was curling from this bottom over here, getting curled up, getting curled up. She's a very slow mover, but she could pay on days like these when she has a catalyst. A lot of news and stuff on it right now. So I want to see Disney, guys. So right now Disney's above 105.82 right here. I want to see Disney hold this 105.82 and push into 108 and then upside on 118-ish, right? So I'm going to close my positions on Disney in the morning. And if 105.82 doesn't hold, I'll close my runners then. right? Then maybe Disney can just go fill the gap that's like a trash stock, right? So just let's watch that 105.82, see if it holds in the morning. Maybe 103.91, those two levels. That's Disney boys. Right. Let's talk about ARM. I mean, ARM is basically in last yesterday I was mentioning, right? In the Discord and the voice, this earnings looks like she's gonna break out and go on a daily chart. Everything looks like massive upside. So now ARM guys made a massive move upside, 100, came back to retracement. I made a fifth, came back to that retracement, and now she's basically coming back to that 78 fib level that I have around there. It's another fib that I have, 100.6. So basically, I even said this is going to be pivot point today to watch. So if you guys going to be trading ARM upside, watch this zone. This is the zone. Gotta watch this zone, guys. If this zone breaks up, then probably she can go to 108. Watch this zone to hold. And 92.54, I would say watch that. If that doesn't hold possible, then she can go fill that earnings gap, maybe downside. That's I got an ARM. Let's see what you guys have. I saw you guys wanted to talk about MSTR. I'm gonna take like few stocks only, boys. MSTR because we're in that trade. 475. Nice support. Mentioned yesterday. This was a good support. We got in 535. That's a resistance, guys. So watch that resistance all the way to 566. That's a big zone to watch on MSTR. Coin, I've been talking about coin for a long time, guys. 114, 114, 114. Been streaming over here. Watch this level, watch this zone. Nice bar up zone, guys. Now coming to that 130, guys. Right? So if you didn't get into coin, now you don't want to get into this 130 zone. Got rejected there, you know. Look at the chart. You guys have this charts, guys. That's coin. Right? Airbnb, think it's around 140. Nothing much happening here in Airbnb, bro. Nice space to go long, yes, but this is gonna take some time. No, not tradable, but if you want investment, she's not a bad spotter, 140-ish to go long. CRM, I have no charts in it right now, so what I'll skip that boy. We can do that later in the Discord. ARM we spoke about. Pins, I have nothing on it. Let me just see what pins did. I know she reported. I did see my scanner. She's gonna report later, so we'll see about it later, bro. That's it for me, guys. I'm gonna see you guys on the Discord. Hope you guys have a good trading day.